Yes, this is your first experience on a winding road. So there it is, a sharp turn. So you back off the gas pedal, then you drive out of the turn. You see, you don't accelerate into a turn, you accelerate out of a turn. Okay, speed it up. And then you're going into another turn, so just back off the gas, let it go around the bend. Now speed up again. Come on, speed up. You're a bit too slow and you're holding up traffic. Now off the gas again, just let it roll. Speed up again.
I see.
Back off the gas again. Wait until you negotiate the turn. Then speed up again. Then back off again. Wait until you negotiate the bend. Now speed up again. Back off again. Wait until you negotiate. Now speed up again to get out of the turn. Speed it up. You're going up a hill, so you're going to need some acceleration. Now speed up again to get out of the turn. Speed up again. And now you're on the straightaway. So get up to the maximum speed, which is 50.
This is really cool.
Yeah, that's cool when you know how.